On the left, the firing neurons of a human mind. On the right, the chaotic traffic of the leafcutter ants.
Who is in charge here?
We search for a commander, a general shouting orders from the center, but the queen is merely an ovary, a prisoner of reproduction.
Accelerated time reveals the intricate, glowing pathways of the bull ants, a vast, pulsating map hidden beneath the canopy. Deep in the understory, the trail stretches for kilometers, a highway built on chemical signals.
These leafcutter ants form an astonishingly complex, cohesive mesh network grid, optimizing their collective data transfer.
Each ant is nearly blind, possessing a brain smaller than a grain of salt, capable of only the simplest binary choices.
Or turn back. An ant encounters an obstacle, a fallen branch blocking the path.
She does not calculate a detour. She wanders randomly, laying a faint pheromone trail.
We are watching a biological algorithm in real time.
The colony faces a crisis. The primary foraging site, a grove of hibiscus, has been exhausted. 3 million mouths in the fungus gardens are starving.
The city must expand or die. Scouts fan out into the hostile unknown, moving beyond the safety of the chemical maps.
But another finds a closer, albeit poorer, source of shrubbery.
Here lies the struggle. How does the brain decide between quality and distance without a central processor?
1,000 tiny votes are being cast.
The scout from the rich tree returns, laying a potent pheromone trail, thick and urgent. The scout from the poor shrub returns, laying a weak, dissipating trail.
Driven by instinct, these carpenter ants create a thunderous rhythm across the dry terrain as they march in unison.
Passing workers sniff the air. The stronger scent triggers a positive feedback loop.
The ceaseless march of the army ants creates a living river of gold.
We call this Stigmergy, indirect coordination, where the environment itself acts as the memory bank.
The decision has been made. The collective has spoken.
A group of soldiers becomes locked in a death spiral, following each other in an endless loop, disconnected from the main signal.
They march until exhaustion claims them, a glitch in the software of the hive.
Even the perfect mind can go mad.
A fresh wave of foragers intersects the death spiral.
They do not follow the loop. They physically disrupt it, bumping into the exhausted soldiers, breaking the chemical trance.
Tons of biomass are stripped from the canopy and funneled underground.
The superorganism feeds.
The crisis is averted not by a hero, but by 1 million tiny interactions.
To be one is to be nothing. To be many is to be immortal.
The jungle floor settles back into silence, but beneath the soil, the great mind continues to think.